Bonjour! Bonjour!
No.
Time for bladder check. Check.
So it's a show?
It's a lifestyle.
It's a religion.
My emotions! My emotions!
I'm still French.
Ouais, c'est pas faux.
I'm a woman, Mary. I can be as contrary as I choose.
Non, moi je crois qu'il faut que vous arrêtiez d'essayer de dire des trucs.
Hello guys, I'm Laura. I'm gonna watch Battlestar Galactica Season 1, Episode 7. I can't hide it, you know me, I can't hide my feelings, and right now I'm so mad that I want to cry, really. You know that my emotions are really high each time, and when I'm really high with emotions like that, I can cry easily. And right now I'm so disappointed and mad. I just saw that the videos that I planned for you about Battlestar Galactica and about The Last Kingdom, all of them were blocked during the night by NBC, and that's so frustrating, you know, because I spent so much hours of work on these videos. You know, when you are watching one of my videos, you have to know that I'm filming during 1 hour and a half, but I have 2 times, you know, that, like 3 hours or maybe more for editing the videos. So it's a lot of work, and I worked hard for you, for being in advance when I'm gonna be on holidays, so you're not gonna see the difference that I'm on holidays. You're gonna have your 5 episodes each week, but right now I'm losing hope and faith, you know, because I don't know what to do. I planned all of these videos and they are all blocked. Not everywhere, they are blocked in US and Canada, but I don't see the point, you know, of making videos if, you know, 30% of the persons who are watching them usually are not gonna be able to watch them. So I don't know what to do. I don't know if I can ask you to use a VPN locator just for my videos. I don't know if it's better that I'm downloading, you know, the intro and the review of the episode on YouTube and the episode somewhere else. But if I'm doing that, I know that many of you, the majority of you, 90% of you are gonna just go check the link and go watch the video without hearing my thoughts and my theories. But that's bothering me, you know, to not be watched. I know that when you are on the same, you know, on the same website, you are taking more time to maybe hear a little of my thoughts. I really don't know what to do. I'm using the same fair use rules, you know, that I'm using with all of the other shows. I'm using less than 10 minutes or 8 minutes, even 8 minutes. I know that some of the reactors that you can watch on YouTube, they are using 10 minutes of episodes. Me, sometimes it's less than 8 minutes. And even with that, they are blocked. And even, you know, during each scene, I'm taking less than 8 seconds of a moment. I'm really trying to be fair. Not give you all of the episodes, but also not all of the scenes. To be fair with the shows, and I'm repeating it each time and each time. Go watch the episode on yourself and then come back to watch reaction videos about it. Reaction videos that are made for that, not for a streaming way to watch the show. So, you know, I'm really playing fair with the shows. I have the impression to play fair. I have the impression also to give a lot of my time for that. I mean, to make the intros and reviews, to think about it. I'm not just watching it. Again, I know that some reactors, they are just watching the shows and they are not talking about it, they are not expressing what they are thinking, they are not making any series, they are not playing, you know, with the shows, and that's not the kind of reaction videos that I love, and that's not the kind of reaction videos that I want to make. But yes, I have the impression to be fair with the shows and to be blocked like that. And it's not just to be blocked, it's the fact that I'm blocked, and I know that in just less than a week I'm not gonna be here at my apartment, so I'm not gonna be able to change things, you know, to contest. Videos are gonna be blocked and I'm not gonna be able to do anything, and I don't know, I really don't know what to do right now. I'm gonna try to find a solution for that. I don't know, but I'm really mad. I'm really mad. I'm really disappointed also. You know that's the beginning of a big binge watching for the two shows. I mean, there are seasons of these shows. So, for sure, I know that I'm gonna react to the first season of the two of them. How? I don't know. I still don't know for now. But I don't know if I'm gonna make reaction videos for the other seasons because I don't have the time and the energy to fight each time for each videos. You know, it's really frustrating for me, and it's also a big disappointment because I know how much you're excited that I'm gonna try new shows, and I was excited really with you, and I'm beginning to love these shows. Battlestar Galactica for now, I love it for sure, but The Last Kingdom, I was beginning also to love it a lot. I sent you a message on YouTube and Twitter to tell you what is happening and to ask you what you prefer. I prefer to warn you, I don't know what I'm gonna do. Again, if I have to contest, to fight with each videos, I'm not sure that I'm gonna have the energy, you know, to do that, because each time that's gonna be a frustration and a disappointment for me, each time that's gonna be hard. I'm not sure that I can do it, you know. You know how much I'm emotional, and I don't want to force me to suffer that each time, because each time that's a pain, you know, for me. Because again, my emotions, they are always high, you know. I don't have little emotions. So when something is happening like that, that's a big emotions and a big bad emotion. Like right there, it's just not one video that was blocked, it's 11 videos. I really don't know what to do for now. I'm gonna think about that, and you're gonna have news about that on Twitter or on the option community of YouTube. Please pay attention to that, because I don't want you to be disappointed if you are seeing that the video is blocked on your country. Okay, I'm gonna try to watch this episode now with a good spirit, but for now, as you can see, I'm really disappointed, mad, frustrated, and really it's I don't know how you're saying it in English, but it's a slap that I didn't see coming, you know, pam, like that on the back of my head. That's a big one. I was so glad, I was so proud, you know, of my organization with these weeks. I was so proud that that's it, they're gonna have their videos no matter what. I was so proud of myself, you know, because of that, and I'm working so hard for that. It's gonna ask me more work, and that's already a lot, you know, for videos that I'm just making for fun. I can't live, you know, with the tips that I have for my videos. I was honest with you with that when I made the video about the PO box. For now, from YouTube, I had just 2 payments. The first one was on December and it was 100 euros, and the second one was on January and it was again 100 euros, and I used it for the PO box. So really, I'm not having any money, almost any money from YouTube. So really, these videos, I'm making them for you guys, for me, because I'm enjoying making them. It's really just for the fun, and if the fun is not there because I have to fight each time for the videos, that's hard, you know, that's really hard. Okay, I'm gonna stop right now to talk about that, and also with this intro, which is really long, to just tell you how much I'm frustrated. I think that I'm gonna cut a lot during it. That's gonna be hard to not think about it. I'm so... Let's go for the episode! Did I like this episode? Yes, I liked it because it was an episode of Battlestar Galactica, and I'm loving this show now, that's it, I'm loving it. And because we had news about all of the characters, you know, Kara, she's feeling better, she's still having this issue with her knee, and I hope that she's gonna be alright, you know. I hope that she can fully recover from that. We had news also about Ilo, who is really in love with this silent activated boomer, and they were having sex. I'm not sad because they were having sex. I'm like that because she's not real and she's manipulating you. Ha, you know. I'm sad for him, you know, for his feelings when he's gonna know the truth. Poor Ilo. But this episode was really about Gaius. And you know that I don't like his character. So, to have the confirmation that he just cares about himself, that he just cares about his reputation, that he was so sad and he was crying just because of that. Okay, he thought that he lost everything, and okay, he thought that they were gonna maybe kill him or something like that, and maybe he cried because of that. But in fact, it was really about his reputation, and he embraced God, you know, our God. And I mean, embracing our God like that, even if it's God and not our God, it's for showing us that he loves her, he really loves her, and he's gonna follow her, he's gonna follow what she's doing, and he's embracing her side, you know, he's embracing the silent side. Okay, he said that she was a sleeping angel, that she was a silent. Okay, he said it. Yes, he said that he loved her. And now everybody is gonna trust him even more, because now they're gonna be like, okay, someone tried to discredit you, so it means that you're really one of us because you're working against the silence. No, he's working with a silence, and silence are helping him again and again and again. I was not sad, you know, I was really not sad, but I was interested by this story because it made me doubt about the fact that he was a silent or not. Because if he didn't remember that, if that thing was real, it would have meant that he's a silent agent also. But the fact that this photo was a fake one, no, he's not a silent agent, but he still has one into his head, you know. Because yes, I really think that she's really there. This is not just his conscious, you know. She's manipulating him, she's telling him infos each time. She's not just, you know, a conversation that he has with himself, because sometimes she's really saying stuff to him to make him do stuff or to help him to understand stuff with new informations, not just a discussion with your conscious, but with new information. So yes, I think that she's really there as a bug or something like that. Because again, I can't believe that she just released him just like that. This episode was also a lot about religion, and I appreciate that, you know, I appreciate that discussion because it seems to be something important for the silent. At least for that woman in red, it seems to be something really important. And I appreciate, you know, the discussions about what you can do if you think that God wants you to do it, and what you can do if you think that you're losing all and you're gonna turn yourself to God, you know, because you're losing all and you just have that. No, that episode didn't change my mind about Gaius. I'm not sad for him, I'm not liking him, I'm not respecting him, I'm not trusting him. I'm understanding him maybe a little more with this episode, maybe it helped for that, but that's not gonna help me to like him, not really. But see, Battlestar Galactica, I was so mad, so angry, so disappointed and frustrated during the intro of this episode, and during it I smiled, I lost, and I'm finishing it like that, you know. I'm not as frustrated than what I was, maybe because of some of your responses that I had during the episode, but also because it's a great show, you know. It's a show that makes you think, it's also a show that gives you a good mood, at least for me, because of the fact that we have funny moments, and I love that into shows, you know, that are not too serious, you know. Shows sometimes, serious shows sometimes, they are forgetting to put some funny moments, they are taking themselves too seriously, and I love shows that can manage, you know, to have some lines, some funny lines or some funny moments, because it's helping also the viewers to connect with the characters, to love the characters. When you are laughing with them, that's helping. Okay, I'm gonna finish this review right now because I have 2 more episodes to watch today, so it's all for you for today for Battlestar Galactica, and it's all for me for now, so bye for now. Bye.
Wait a minute, Doc. Are you telling me that you built a time machine? Great.